I think future-wise sa Philippines, very bright pa. Kasi I think for now kasi syempre wala pa tayong governing body. So hindi pa tayo, I think wala pa tayong National Sporting Association. So technically speaking, wala pa tayong national ranking. So I think pag nagkaroon ng ganun, mas maraming ma-encourage na players kasi why? Pwede natin siya ipasok for UAAP, NCAA, palarong pambansa. Ngayon, if mapasok natin yon, anong next is scholarships. Siyempre may mga schools na involved doon eh. So they can give scholarship for pickleball players. Tapos mas maraming younger generations na maglalaro. Developmental, mas gaganda. And well, nagagawa ng neighboring countries natin like Vietnam, Malaysia, and others. Even I think Thailand, or you name it. So Southeast Asian neighbors natin. So if they can, bakit hindi tayo? Kaya naman natin 'yan. And I think pickleball is sport I think we can thrive talaga kasi bukod sa nagma-matter naman yung height, pero I think ito yung sport na fit para talaga sa mga Filipinos. Yun ang forecast ko talaga. Hopefully talaga magkaroon na talaga tayo ng National Sporting Association para lahat to magche-chain reaction na yan, magtutuloy-tuloy na yan. So just like other sports like tennis, basketball, volleyball,